Morning.
Morning, sir.
National anthem. 1, 2, go.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigerians calling, with love and strength and faith.
Your Excellency, Mr. President,
Good morning, Your Excellency. My name is
Abraham, heading Technology Transfer and Innovation.
Thank you, Mr. President. We're here to present to you this compendium titled Plus 600 Diaspora Icons at 60. But first, I'll say that Angel Godson, who introduced himself, yes, is the first black person to be elected into the Polish parliament. Never happened before, but he's home now. And he's into agriculture, Mr. President. So he has a ranch in Abia, and he also has farming in Abuja. So, Mr. President, sir, on behalf of the management of the Nigerian Diaspora Commission, we're glad to present to you this compendium, which we have titled Plus 600 Diaspora Icons. We planned it to mark Nigeria at 60, and we're glad that we can present it to you today. So this compendium was birthed out of the necessity to recognize, celebrate, and showcase Nigerians in the diaspora who are doing great things in their host countries and also contributing to the socio-economic, political, and cultural development of their country, Nigeria. Sir, I'll make it very clear, sir, that the inspiration to put this compendium came together as a result of your presidential town hall meetings that Your Excellency has been having with Nigerians in the diaspora, wherever you traveled. It's amazing what Nigerians are doing all over the world, and we felt there was a need to celebrate ourselves and put it together. When you talk of human capital development, Nigeria tops the world. These Nigerians, sir, are using their resources, talent, skills, and global exposure, and they're also flying the flag of Nigeria high in their host countries, as you have seen when you meet them, sir. So it was considered out of the need to identify and celebrate them globally and also locally, as these Nigerians are excelling in their various fields and have been described as the most educated immigrant population in the world. No country can compete with that. So we plan to publish this compendium at regular intervals, as presently we have thousands of other Nigerians worth celebrating by their country, Nigeria. And we believe, sir, that this would help the negative stereotypes typified by the activities of a few Nigerians who do not represent us well. So if you tell me one Nigerian is in trouble, I'll give you 10,000 that are doing great things all over the world. This compendium covers all developmental sectors like agriculture, education, engineering, entertainment and media, fashion, arts, literature, finance and economics, international relations, philanthropy and humanitarian services, medicine and healthcare, oil and gas, politics and law, real estate, sports, technology and innovation, and also special recognitions. We also included the activities of the Nigerian Diaspora COVID-19 Support Group, and it also captures, sir, pictorials of Your Excellency's Diaspora Town Hall meetings everywhere you traveled. This compendium is also the Commission's contribution to our celebration where we turned 60, but then we're going 62 now, but we should tell the world what we've been able to do in terms of human capital development globally. So we have to tell our positive stories to the world. Nobody will do it for us but ourselves. Let me also use this opportunity, Your Excellency, sir, to highlight some of the activities of the Commission since we were established by Your Excellency in May 2019. We have your approval for the diaspora policy by the Federal Executive Council in April 2021. This framework policy is a major guide to all our activities. Countries like South Africa, Tanzania, and Turkey have approached NiDCOM, and they want to have their own diaspora commission. So we're working with them with a view to having their own diaspora commission. 33 states in Nigeria now have their diaspora focal persons because of our engagement with the various states. So each state now has somebody that deals with their diaspora matters, and we're glad about that. Only 3 states. We're waiting for them, and that is Sokoto, Akwa Ibom, and Rivers State. FCT also has, so we work together as a team. Because when they come to Nigeria, they'll be going to their states to set up, not Abuja, and that has been very encouraging, sir. 3 times we've celebrated the National Diaspora Day on July 25. We had it in 2019, 2020 and 2021 as prescribed by the National Diaspora Policy, and the proceedings have also been published. So we hope that celebrating these Nigerians, we can have the Diaspora Merit Award in the year 2022. We believe that this would encourage them to continue to do their best for their home country. We've also hosted the Nigeria Diaspora Investment Summit, again, 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. And we're talking about Diaspora Direct Investment. Nigerians are beginning to invest in their own country, and proudly so. And we're glad about that. And we also hope that we can subsequently have the Nigerian Diaspora Investment Trust Fund, which will be a private sector investment window with the Nigerians in the diaspora to support, diaspora direct investments in Nigeria. We've also launched a registration portal so that we can get Nigerians to register wherever they are. Let's know where you are, what you're doing. And even in times where you get into trouble, it's important to know that you're there. So the data portal is on, and we continue to engage them for national development. We're also working with UNICEF, OPSWASH, and the Ministry of Water Resources to encourage the Nigerian diaspora to key into the implementation of the Executive Order 009, that is to end open defecation in Nigeria by the year 2025. One of our greatest footballers, Mr. David Alaba, who is in Austria, actually donated 13.3 million naira a few weeks ago to build one of the digital toilet facilities in Ogun State, and others, I believe, will emulate him. So that's their own contribution to ending open defecation in Nigeria. We had the Diaspora COVID-19 support group during COVID, and up to now, they made their contribution. They got together and donated almost 50 million naira worth of equipment to every state of Nigeria and FCT. And they also contributed in terms of technical support with the Ministry of Health. Of course, we work actively with our parent ministry and other MDAs in assisting Nigerians in distress, and we've been able to do quite a bit of that and let them know that this lure about greener pastures really does not exist. So in fulfilling our mandate, we've embarked on many programs and activities to encourage and celebrate the active participation of Nigerians in the diaspora for national development. However, sir, we will need to be strengthened in terms of resources, as the Nigerians in the diaspora form the strategic component of our population and must be engaged for the development of Nigeria. Your Excellency, sir, I want to thank you once more for this opportunity to present to you this compendium titled Plus 600 Diaspora Icons at 60, a publication of the Nigerians in the Diaspora Commission, which was inspired by your constant engagement with Nigerians living abroad and encouraging them to be part and process of the development of their home country. And the message is Nigerians at home work with Nigerians in the diaspora to build this great country of ours. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for this opportunity, and we're glad to present this compendium to you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Honorable Ministers, Honorable from Nigerian Diaspora Commission. Amen. I am pleased to receive you this morning on the happy occasion of the presentation of Plus 600 Diaspora Icons at 60. This compendium is a historical record of the worth of our compatriots globally. This distinguished list also reminds us of what Nigerians are capable of doing to the delight of the global community. Irrespective of the few bad eggs among us, and every nation has such bad eggs, Nigeria remains a great country populated by great people, living at home or abroad, making us proud. This compendium attests to that fact, and the names of people and the fields they have excelled speak about their resilience and how exceptional Nigerians, both at home and abroad, have become. It is our duty to extol and celebrate them, as no one else will do so for us. Rather, other people will tend to capitalize on the few bad eggs and characterize us in their own narratives that seek to characterize us in bad light, We must not allow that to happen. As we launch the compendium of excellent Nigerians today, we are also celebrating some of our best nationally and globally. I call on every Nigerian, irrespective of where they may be, to continue to be of exemplary behavior and with determination to offer quality services that contribute to the progress of humanity. Specifically, their foreign exchange remittances to family members have not only helped such families, but enhanced the developmental index of Nigeria. I congratulate all those whose names made it to this first edition and encourage others to work more conscientiously to make the list in the subsequent editions. I have always engaged with Nigerians in the diaspora in all my travels abroad through the Presidential Diaspora Town Hall meetings. My diaspora agenda remains the same, that A, Nigerians in the diaspora are our ambassadors at large by their character, comportment, and daily actions. B, they should be the best and excel in all in their endeavors. And C, they should give back by contributing to the development of Nigeria. I wish now to express the profound gratitude of federal government to the Diaspora Commission, and especially the chairperson and chief executive officer, for the energy and the innovative steps that continue to be put together to ensure better engagement with our diaspora community. Rebuilding Nigeria is not the responsibility of Nigerians who live at home alone, but of every Nigerian irrespective of the place of domicile. On behalf of the federal government of Nigeria, I call on all Nigerians to remain patriotic and committed to the highest ideal of contributing to the Nigerian project of the Nigeria of our collective dreams. Our government is open to welcoming the Diaspora Direct Investment by our diaspora Nigerians. May I now use this opportunity to also note and endorse the programs of NiDCOM towards actualizing its mandate as initiated in the National Diaspora Policy. We will support NiDCOM to fulfill its mandate holistically through considerations for A, the establishment of the Nigerian Diaspora Investment Fund, and B, the Diaspora Intervention Fund to support the activities of NiDCOM's engagement with Nigerians in the diaspora. Thank you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria and all.
Yeah, thank you. With love and strength and faith of our heroes to serve with heart and mind, bound in freedom, peace and unity.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.